Welcome to another video. This is all about unboxing a small package. I received it from Danny FPV today. This is something we got for this one here, right here. So let's get unpacked. Quite a nice packaging. This feels like a snake skin. Here is thing. Thank you for purchasing from a happy friend. And then thank you. And here is a face foam pad for my goggles with too. The DJ goggles with of course. And here is the thing actually. This one gives pretty good range. Hopefully, pretty good range for my phone. This is the LSCP iFlight Albatross antenna with the UFL connector. Quite a nice look, right? This weighs about 5.8 grams. That was written on the antenna itself right there. That goes over here. That's better, I think. It will stick up so it will look like that. And here is the foam pad. I'm quite not sure how this is going to fit for the nose thing. And then like that. And this is the foam pad. Looks pretty nice. Also comes with the Velcro pre-installed so that I can directly stick onto the goggles. I'll show how we can put the foam pad in those goggles. Currently I got stock foam pad which is being installed on this goggles. No, actually I had custom foam pad, but that foam pad started to disintegrate quite a while ago. So I got the foam pad from the DJ itself. Like this is the old stock antenna. So I'm removing this right now because this actually doesn't give any kind of comfort, and also prone to light leaks from the corners. I mean this side, this both sides like here, and from this side, from this side as well. This doesn't give a good fit. Holy cow! This also is also not that great on the Google on this stock foam pad. The shape is quite good, but we'll stick this one right now. So, what we call this one? Wait, let me see. This is from Newbie Drones. Max Comfort Goggle Foam Pad. That's what written on the sticker. For this to install, like easy installation, I'll be removing this strap. This is also custom strap. This is also quite old now. So now let me see the fit, how it actually, oh, this is better actually, but I don't think this will protect anything. I mean the light leaks. I have one now, but let me see here. I think this is good actually, quite good for. I think this should last longer than the other brand foams. Just pushing it bit for that to stick in properly with the Velcro. So yeah, the nose padding is pretty good actually. Here the bottom, you can see it right there. It's actually nicely designed. Not bad, quite good, but it comes at a price. This is not cheap. This costs around 900 rupees, and this antenna is something around 800 or 700 rupees. The comfort is good. You can go for the Newbie foam pads for your goggles. people, and they have given this fuel. I'm not sure where should I stick this thing in, because they already put it places. People, what the hell? Where does this go actually? Looking on the nose, I'm not sure. Need to ask what is this for with the new big drone system. And that's it for now. I hope you enjoy this new video. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. Please share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.